Your guilt is proved. You are being convicted, the judge announced, saying that charges had been proven by circumstances. These are verdict wording pronounced by Indian judge Mr. Anirbandas, who was presiding a fast-track court. The police volunteer in Sealdah, Kolkata had raped and then murdered a trainee doctor Dibyangshu Sarkar in state-run hospital in Kolkata last year 2024 in August. Accused Sanjay Roy committed his crime in classroom of RG Medical College and Hospital. Victim was resting in that classroom after attending hospital ward. Victim was not only raped but was to severe and fearless torture. The rape attracted the whole country protest, which created a pressure to the Indian government.